Hi friends, welcome back to SK tutorial. Friends, ఈ రోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2019 పేపర్ 1లోని ఈవీఎస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అబ్టైన్ ఫ్రమ్ పెట్రోలియం? ఆప్షన్ 1 డీజిల్, 2 wax, ఆప్షన్ 3 grease, ఆప్షన్ 4 coal. Right answer is option 4 coal. Next question, select from the following a set of festivals celebrated on full moon day. Full moon day. Right answer is option 2 Holi, Mahashivaratri, Buddha Jayanti. Which of the following group of states has a coast on Arabian Sea? Right answer is option 1 Karnataka, Kerala and Gujarat. Where is Jharkhand located on map of country? Option 3 north of Odisha. Next question, you are located at X and your school is located at Y. There is no straight path your house to school. So C is house 30 meters due to north of X. North of X 30 meters. Then B, which is 40 meters due to west. 40 meters west to B. And then go to which is 30 meters due to north. 30 meters due to north. And finally you can reach at school which is 40 meters due to west. 40 meters due to west. A, B, C. With respect to your school, correct direction of your house. This is direction of, with respect to your school, the correct direction of your house is south direction and east. Right answer is option 4 southeast. A boy boarded a train on 30th June 2019 Madgan for Nagarkoil. The train departed 9:45 from the Madgan and reached Nagarkoil at 7:15 hours on the next day. If the distance covered by the train during this time interval in 1140 kilometers, the average speed of the train was. The train departed 9:45, 30th June. Journey time is 2 hours 15 minutes. Nagarkoil at 7:15 hours on next day. So after 12 hours. The Nagarkoil at 7:15 Madgan reached at 7:15 hours. So 21. The average speed S is equal to D by T. Distance is 1140, 21.5. 1140 by 215 into 10. 5 2s 8 into 10. 2280 divided with 43. 43 5 is 215. 130. 43 3 is 129 1.0. Right answer is option 2. Next question, in one of the forests of our country, the village council allots land to forest people, Adivasis, for farming in special unit called tin. What is tin? Right answer is option 3 a land from which is farmer produces 1 tin of seeds. Question, in which of the following cities mountain of sand called sand dunes are found? Abu Dhabi. Right answer is option 2. We all observe old wells which have dried up. Our elders said that about 25 to 30 years ago there was sufficient water in wells, but now these have completely dried up. Select from the following possible correct reasons for drying up water in wells. Right answer is option 4, A, B and D. The lakes which rainwater used to collect no longer there. The soil around the trees well nearby area is now covered with coal tar and cement. A number of electricity motor driven pumps have come out of drawn underground water. Right answer is option 4. In EVS concept, issues have not been compartmentalized into science and social science. Why? Right answer is option 2. The child looks her his environment is holistic manner. Next question, which of the following is true for with respect to EVS subject for class 1 and 2? Issues and concerns related to EVS are transacted through language and mathematics. Right answer is option 2. Question, in EVS, themes have been proposed instead of topics in the syllabus. Why? For developing connected and interrelated understanding of issues and learners' local environment. Right answer is option 3. Next question, which one of the following is not one of 6 board themes of EVS in present syllabus? Work and play. Next question, which of the following is not true with respect to EVS? EVS emphasizes description and definitions. Next question, which one of the following is very important in constructing knowledge in EVS? Active participation of the learner. Relating child knowledge with teacher's knowledge. Learning EVS outside for four walls of the classroom. Relating child's local knowledge to school knowledge. Right answer is option 1. The most effective strategy to engage learners in EVS is narratives. Option 1 is right answer. Children should be encouraged to tap sources other than textbooks and teachers in EVS. Why? A textbook and teachers are not only sources of EVS learning. It will promote the involvement of parents and communities. It will provide opportunity to teachers know the children backgrounds. It will develop psychomotor skills and aesthetic sense of children. Right answer is option 2. Next question. A teacher always begins by conducting activities followed by questions and discussion. The objective of conducting activities, questions and discussion is to assess to children process skills, provide opportunity to the children explore, provide opportunity to children express themselves, discriminative between the children bases their pace of learning. Right answer is option 4, A, B, C. A, B, C. Teacher conducts experiments on how does food get spoiled. Teachers makes group of learners and provide the material related to the experiment. Why does teacher from groups of learners? It promotes peer learning. It improves social interaction. Right answer is option 1. Which of the following should not be indicator for assessment in EVS? Remembering. Remembering is not an indicator for assessing in EVS. In EVS, teachers should provide opportunity to students assess themselves. Self-assessment is assessment as learning. Which technique is used to rating scale? Checklist. Which of the following is not the objective of teaching EVS? To encourage the children is to provide textbook definition is not a objective of teaching EVS. Picture reading is an important activity in EVS. Which of the following indicators of learners can be assessed through picture reading? Observation and recording, expression, analysis and experimentation. Right answer is option 2. In hilly area, it was observed that people have built their houses using stones, mud, lime and wood. These houses have 2 floors on the ground floor. Then provide space for animals to live and also store necessary things on first floor. They say the roofs of house are flat and made of the sticks, 3 stumps. This hilly area is part of Jammu and Kashmir. Consider the following statements about practice followed under zoom farming. A. After obtaining one set of crops, the land left as it is for some years. B. The bamboo or weeds which grow on the land are pulled out. C. The ash obtained earning the weeds, etc. It use fertilizer. When the land is ready for farming is deeply ploughed before dropping the seeds. Right answer is option A. Boiled topika with any curry made using coconut is preferred food of the people of Kerala. It is believed that animals that are awake at night can see objects in only black and white color. Earthworms and considered friends of the farmer. Select from the following correct reasons for the same. Right answer is A, B, C. Option A, B, C. Option 1 is right answer. Earthworms eat dead-lived plants and their dropping fertilizer soil. Earthworms eat the weeds and save the main crop. Earthworms soften and soil by digging the underneath. Next question. Tribal people have been using bronze to make many things since thousand of years. Bronze is still used in our house. Select from the following the most correct statement about bronze. It is mixture of copper and tin. Right answer is option 4.